Welcome students, this is your 3.4 practice video. This was on standard form. We learned that standard form was ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are just numbers, so it might look something like 2x plus 3y equals 6. And we use this to help us find the x-intercept, which is always a number and then 0, and the y-intercept, which is always 0 and then a number. Alright, let's hop straight into it. Right, the first part of it was about just graphing both verticals and horizontals. And we learned that anytime it says x equals, that is going to be a vertical line. Anytime it just says y equals, that's going to be a horizontal line. So the x of -4 is right here. And so we're going to draw a vertical line at 4. This one cannot be done on the calculator. Okay. Y equals 3 is a horizontal line at a y of 3, so that's 1, 2, 3 is right there. The horizontal line is right there. Okay. Alright, so this was the main portion of what we did. We said that if you want to find the x-intercept, you simply cover up the y and then solve. So I'm going to rewrite it. 3x plus 2y equals 12. So basically, to find the x-intercept, you would be covering up the y, and you can see that this says 3x equals 12. So you divide both sides by 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4, so my x-intercept is 4, 0. To do the y, you do the same thing, except you cover up the x. So you would cover up the x. It says 2y equals 12, so you divide both sides by 2, and y equals 6. So the y-intercept would be 0, 6. The 0 is another name for the x-intercept, so our 0 is 4. So we're going to go plot those 2 points. X-intercept is along the x-axis at 4. Y-intercept actually goes off the screen here at 6, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would be right there at 6. And then the line would go downhill like this and have a negative slope. Right, let's take a look. This says that you lose track of how many 2-point and 3-point basketball baskets are made in a game. The formula, the team missed all their 1 point, so they missed all their free throws, and they ended up with 54. So you get the equation 2x plus 3y equals 54, where x is a 2-pointer and y is a 3-pointer. So if I want to find the x-intercept, I'm going to cover up the y and divide both sides by 2, and so I get the x is 27. Okay, so it's 27, 0. To do the other way, 2x plus 3y equals 54. So this time we'll cover up the y and divide by 2. Oops, I did the same thing. Sorry. Let me start back over. 2x plus 3y equals 54. So cover up the x and divide both sides by 3. 54 divided by 3 is 18. So this would be 0, 18. So what this represents is 27 2-pointers if we made no 3-pointers. The y-intercept is we made 0 2-pointers and we made 18 3-pointers. Part B says, can the number of 3-point baskets made be odd? Explain your reasoning. The answer to this is no, because if it's odd, then you end up with an odd number, and your 2-pointers have to be an even because they're going by 2s. Graph the equation. We need to get to 27 across the x-axis. So if you'll go by 3s across here, 3, 6, 9, so forth. And for the y, we need to get to 18. So if you go by 2s, 2, 4, 6, then you'll just put a dot at 27, a dot at 18, and you'll have a line that's going downhill on your graph. Okay? I'll let you work on D and E on your own, and just make sure you bring it into class.